Good evening, guys. It's beautiful Monday afternoon. It's currently 4:30 p.m. Sun, no rain, beautiful weather currently in Thailand, in Bangkok anyways. And we just arrived to the BTS Talat Plo, and we are going to see the biggest Buddha in Bangkok. To do this, the easiest way and the cheapest way is to take traditional transportation in Bangkok, which is the motorbike taxis. They have a license to do this. Every driver have a plat with his name, like a taxi driver actually. And there is a fixed price for everybody, either you are local or you are foreigner like us, it doesn't matter, there is fixed price. They have a boarding with the, the Thai language, you have to use it to Google Translate, but there is the price. And well, this is how does it look like. You see on the screen, it's pretty cool, right? However, they don't use the helmet. Some of you may be concerned about the safety. Well, that's how it is. It's working since many, many years, and they have a license for that, so it's regulated. That's how it is. It's your own opinion. You could use it or not. It's cool experience. Safety reason, well, that's how it is. Okay, let's explore the temple now.
All right, so we just arrived in Wat Paknam, Charun, if I'm not mistaken, and then this is a big Buddha statue in front of me. Wow, look at that. I think this one is the biggest Buddha statue in Thailand, and then I think that it's not many people are coming here, but let's see how it is, because we can see it from the long distance from Bangkok city about this Buddha statue, but now we will get closer to see it. Wow, this is it, the biggest Buddha statue in Bangkok. Wow.
It's pretty impressive, isn't it? And that's how does it look like at the front. That's the name. Some tourists here as well. The guy on the motorbike is praying, and there are some other people here as well. Pretty beautiful place and pretty great time to visit, close to the sunset, huh?
Yes.
So
Amazing.
lovely. Okay, I'm gonna show you how does it look like in the full shape. It needs to find a good angle, like this one.
Alright, if you are curious about how much the entrance fee to go to the Wat Paknam Charun Bangkok is actually free of entrance, so you don't need to pay anything. But if you wish to do donation, you can do donation box over there. This Buddha Dhammakaya Tep Mongkol, or chopper Buddha statue in meditation posture with lotus bath finial lap with 40 meters height, 69 meters, made of pure of copper of 3 millimeter thickness. It was handmade with the main elements being first base, which is 32 meters deep, 40 meters across and 6 meters high, and a lotus base which is 6 meters high, comprised of an inverted lotus of 2.5 meters and upright lotus of 3.5 meters. And the statue 40 meters wide and 57 meters high. And this construction began in 2017 and was completed in 2021. And the total construction cost was over 600 million bahts.
And just between the Buddha statue, which is actually, this is the fundaments, and the Buddha statue is going up like this one, if you can see. There is another temple actually. I think we have to have a visit as well. Looks like this one. Pretty tall, pretty big as well. And it's open, everything here is open until 6 p.m. So remember, if you came late, you're not gonna enter. So we came before 6 p.m. in general. And you have to take off the shoes over there.
Yes.
And the statue from the back looks like this one. There are some monks coming from the temple. They used to pray, and this is inside. Always remember to take off the shoes if you are coming to the Buddhist temple. And yeah, that's how does it look like. Inside the temple, there's few floors, and inside is like a museum with so many statues and very other interesting stuffs everywhere. Actually, this place is huge, and as you can see, there's so many artifacts what you could watch. And well, I just want to show you little bit how does it look like. It's so much, and all the walls are in the gold decorations, and look at the ceilings also are decorated like this one. This is the third floor. They have some renovations there, but this everything is under the glass. I don't know if you can see, but there's so many gold statues and everything. Actually super cool, but the reflection is like this one. I'm trying to zoom you so you have a point of view. It's actually a very cool place. And this is the 4th floor, the tallest one where you can enter, and I think the most coolest one. First of all, you can have a view of the Buddha statue from the already high level. Second one, there is the terrace like this one, as you can enjoy like a walk and the fresh breeze. And then what is inside, actually, I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, let's get inside raw material because it's so cool to show you. Check this out. Like this one. Inside is the miniature of this temple with the beautiful, but the literally beautiful ceiling like this one. Never saw before something like this one. It's just so cool. Check this out.
And on the top there, on the ceiling, there is a crystal, sparkling crystal. Beautiful.
This one was actually really cool experience, guys. I'm gonna tell you. I'm always impressed how they can let you, even without buying the ticket or anything like this one, for the places like this one. That's actually cool. In Bangkok it's like this one, so that's a cool experience. But also the temple itself is very impressive, and also it's very big stomach, as you can get inside and experience this like this one. It's pretty cool. Down there is also like river taxi or canals, actually. I didn't know that. And there are other temples actually overlooking the panorama of Bangkok in general. So that's their temples, and then there are condominiums and the city center, obviously, and some river life or canal life like this one. So cool, actually. There is actually sleeping Buddha at the front. That's actually also a very interesting temple, to be honest. That's the different complex of the temples, obviously, and some local houses by the canal. Everything you can experience from the top of the other temple where we are. We are passing some local little market and the small alley here with so many like stars like this one. We wanna try to get to the another temple on the other side. There are some offerings here and stuff. Cat, actually, here. Okay, that's a small alley. Not sure if we're going a good way, by the way. Alley is small. Seems like we are a little bit lost, but we all got our drinks actually from the auntie. Water and coke
cost us around 21 baht. It's actually, you know,
like in 7-Eleven actually.
the same price. Even like this area probably now becoming touristy, as you see that many tourists coming to visit. So yeah, let's explore another temple, I think, surrounding.
So the neighborhood looks like this one. There are small alleys only, and this is like a I don't know, like companies having something here, like you know, I don't know actually what's going on here. Looks a little bit like not in the temple area, but the temple is actually there, and there is like a walking bridge. We're gonna cross it, and let's see. The temple is there. Check this out, the birdies here, and the river, and the wood like this. This is actually a very cool neighborhood here in Bangkok, to be honest. This uncle is feeding the birds. Check this out. Stop, sayang. I don't want them to fly away. I want to show to the people how does it look like. Actually very cool. We were there.
And the uncle also, you know, feeding the fish. It's actually lots of fish there in the river.
Actually we are focused on the birdies, but they are fishing the
they are feeding
the fish actually over there. And the birdies actually, they are not scared even of me and my camera. Hello, little birdie. Oh, lovely shot actually right now. Check this out. So lovely, isn't it? Beautiful. Okay, beautiful weather. Birds, fishes down there. Actually, he's feeding them. I will show you a little bit zoom as well. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the temple. And that's how does it look like. Ooh, so cool. Lovely
I'm sorry,
shot.
buddy.
This is a little bit. Ooh, that's actually nice shots. Like this one, so cool.
So basically over there is the Wat Paknam Pasi Charon, and behind that also the temple Wat Khun and the sleeping Buddha behind. Let's go.
Let's go, let's go. That's actually pretty cool. That's actually pretty nice days of exploration. We didn't actually plan this. Winny found out somewhere the idea, I don't know, just literally 2 hours ago.
Bangkok is a lot to do and a lot to see. If people thinking that Bangkok is boring, it means that they never explore, or maybe they just stay in Nana and drinking beers only.
Could be like that. Okay, let's explore. And that's the complex of the temple and the local neighborhood actually, with this Hilux pink color, but that's the company of something. But let's focus on the temples, and there are actually so many of them. Check this out. This is like 360-degree shot. Everywhere there are temples. Actually, so cool. Sleeping Buddha here, with the nice decoration on the monks wearing the sunglasses, a monk in the car as well actually. And yeah, I mean, so many options here to choose. I will zoom it for you a little bit. Wat Paknam, that's the name actually. And there are the temple. And yeah, I don't know if we can get inside though.
Let's go.
Let's try, huh?
Yeah.
That is actually very cool, very cool. Look at this, actually we get inside and there is the three heads. What's the god actually? I don't know, but he have like a three heads. And there is the Buddha actually statue. And down there is something like this one, with also the elephants as the guards, I believe. I'm not a big expert regarding the temples, guys, but it's just really cool and spectacular actually to experience that. Super cool place. Alright, so that's the pier actually, just behind the temple. You can rent a boat going somewhere. We're gonna show you actually. I don't know where this boat's going. There's not so many people though here actually. Not mention as nobody charges us for anything to enter here, right? Basically that's the canals and the Buddha statue at the front. That's where we were. And also the boats are here actually.
Oops!
Oh,
look
so
at the
many fish actually.
Look.
So cool.
Wow, they are big fish.
Big fish on the boat, like this one. Check this out, so cool actually. You see, Bangkok never disappoints you, always something new. So cool, and it looks like they are racing a little bit though.
So what an amazing complex of the temple, right? So what I can say, when we were there, actually there is no entrance fee, and then when we walk here and arrive this temple, also free entrance fee. Enjoy Bangkok actually in a very low budget, but what you can see is amazing things, right?
Basically, there's so many amazing things to explore in Bangkok, and the only thing is you have to explore it. It's not like everything in the Nana or Asok or Siam or Silong, for example, where most of the people are coming to the central location, but you have to explore. It's actually very easy to accessible as we came by BTS and then we took the local motorbike taxis, but you could take the taxi itself. Just explore, guys. It's really cool. We're gonna show you in upcoming days a lot of interesting neighborhoods across Bangkok. And this is how we came from, and we have to come back using the same way. But there were so many Toyota Hilux here from any ages. But the temples are here, and there is very small alley like this one actually, and going to this bridge.
Yes, so we will walk to the bridge, but you see that the feeling walking in the small alley like this with the breeze, and then I don't know, very amazing experience, you know. That's why I would really recommend you guys, whenever you are coming to Thailand and you decide to go to Bangkok, explore more. Just don't sit in Nana going to Soi, something like that. Just go explore more, and let's watch sunset soon.
Let's watch sunset soon, and this is the last shot from this area. Have to just climb the bridge like this one. That's the views, and bridge like this one. The guy already go home, but the bird is still eating something. And yeah, there are actually some other temples, but there is the construction of something, of course.
You know, you also can explore how the local houses, you know, like on the river like that. It's amazing. And then you can see also the river boat passing by. Very nice.
Cool. Really actually cool experience. Totally recommended to come and visit by yourself especially.
along the small alley, we will find another temple, and look at this beautiful cat.
Chilling,
Oh.
enjoying.
So nice.
Lovely.
You're enjoying your time, yeah?
Oh, there looks like a couple or brother and sister.
All right. So let's find the way to go home.
There's also some more temples there, and here is something. Actually, this one is on the pulse on the water. I don't know if you can see. That's the temple where we were, but this one is also the bell tower. That's actually also pretty interesting, like this one. You might also ask us, Damian, Winny, do you feel unsafe or scared walking in the small alleys like this one? Totally not. I don't know, for Winny is Asian visitor, right? And I'm living here for like 7-8 years. It's not bothering me at all. And in general, I feel pretty safe here, right?
Yes.
Nothing to worry about. There at the front, where the cars actually going and all of those people going together with us, this is the exit or entrance. So whenever you're gonna take the motorbike taxi or regular taxi, they will drop you there and you have to cross this street like this one. So it's a little bit confusing maybe, but it's actually the proper way. Technically, entrance and exit looks like this one when you're watching the map, and that's what I was talking about, this door, and the bridge is actually there where we start the video.
Okay, so we are here. Now we will look for the Talat Plu station, the BTS station. We will come back here. So I think that walk like this.
Walk like this one, but this is like a pretty far walk, so we have to take some taxi, and here is the 7-Eleven and motorbike
okay.
taxi. Maybe we're gonna come back the same way. Actually, it was cool, huh? Let's go. This is like a little road going through the temple or out. Yeah, actually some people living there. They had canals and there's some boats what they were using some time ago, and they are like nice houses actually over there in the background. So it's actually pretty cool area here. Check this out. And here we go. After walking maybe for 5 minutes or less, we found 7-Eleven, legendary 7-Elevens in Thailand, and they are motorbike taxis somewhere here. Actually, not sure where, but the sunset looks like this one. So cool. And they are standing actually over there. It's actually very easy to navigate everything. Nowadays, you can have you have a smartphone, most likely. You have internet in it, and you can easily navigate with everything. It's totally different than like 20 years ago, before the smartphones with the Google Maps and stuff like this. That's made it complicated. But now, very easy with everything. All right, we decided to jump to the tuk-tuk driver. Yo, what's up? Oh my God! We have a nice music. Happiness. People asking us, are you happy living in Bangkok? 100 baht for the ride to the BTS.
This is like the fast, the furious tuk-tuk driver. You know, escaping from the hustle and bustle traffic jam. Finally, I tried the tuk-tuk. Actually, I know that there are so many scams about tuk-tuk driver. When we jump, you know, I asked how much, 100 baht. I know that whenever we took like for 2 motorbike taxis, actually cost us around 80 baht. So tuk-tuk for 100 baht, just take it then.
That's a pretty actually good price. He dropped us to the different station. It's Wutakat or something like that, but this is actually doesn't really matter because it's pretty the same.
The same. Let's go.
Let's go. Also, as you can see, BTS stations. BTS is the sky train, MRT is the train under the ground, all right? That's two different ones. But in BTS, they always have like a sky links like this one, so you can peacefully walk everywhere. Actually, on the other side, there is the highway and so many condominiums are as well around. This area is actually popular for the residential area as well. We're going to show you how to back to the city center.
This is actually why we choose Bangkok, because Bangkok city is very easy for, the people like us. We don't need to drive motorbike everywhere. So, easy for walker to walk everywhere because they have a nice walk path and nice skywalk like this.
Alright, so you have to have a BTS card to tap in like this one, and you go, and there's lovely security.
National Stadium.
Yeah, National Stadium direction. We are going to city center back.
So we arrive in the train station. We are here in Wutakat, and then we will go here, take Siam, and then we will go to Asok.
And then home, obviously. That's the train is coming. They are coming every 5 minutes or even often, depends of the time of the day. That's the highway, what I mentioned before. Actually, the highways in Bangkok are also pretty cool, very advanced. And this is the temple, the Buddha, where we were actually before. And the condominiums everywhere, of course, obviously.
Okay, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!